In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a specific time in a video on Google Drive. This simple technique is incredibly useful when you want to direct someone to a particular moment in a lengthy video, whether for educational purposes, business meetings, or sharing personal highlights. So, let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll need to open the video you want to share, and for that, head over to your Google Drive. Once there, locate the video file that interests you. Give it a double click to open it up in Google Drive's built-in video player. This handy tool allows you to watch and edit your videos without needing any extra software. Now that your video is up and running, it's time to find the exact moment you want to link to. You can do this by either playing the video or dragging the progress bar to the right time frame. Once you've landed at the precise moment, make sure to hit that pause button. This will ensure the timestamp is accurate when you share your link. Having paused at just the right time, you're ready to take the next step, which is copying the link. Over on the upper right corner of the screen, look for the familiar Share button. This button is usually easy to find, but if for some reason it's not showing up right away, look slightly adjacent to it. Sometimes the controls could manifest as a down arrow or even 3 vertical dots next to the video's title. What you're looking for is the option that says, Copy link to this time. Click that selection, and voila! You now have a special link that's been crafted with your selected timestamp. At this point, your time-stamped link is safely saved to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you need, be it an email, a chat message, or even on a shared document. Just press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, or right-click and choose the paste option. The person receiving your link will now be able to click on it and be taken directly to the moment you've selected, skipping all the bits before it. This capability not only saves time, but also makes your communication much more efficient and to the point. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to share a specific moment in your video using Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating with team members on a project or simply wanting to show off a memorable scene to friends, this feature will undoubtedly come in handy. Remember, technology should make our lives simpler, so take full advantage of every tool at your disposal. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy sharing!